Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you're a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Standing ovation, they did a great job raising you. And when I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can nobody throw shade on your name in these streets? Triple threat, you're a boss, you're a babe, you're a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, I can't refuse, no. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you're a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Second to none, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. You're my rock, my Colorado. Got that ring, just like Toronto. Love you now, little more tomorrow. That's how I feel. Act like you know that you are. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. These are my only intentions. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
Oi, gente, boa noite. Não vai ter dancinha, os noivos são muito tímidos. Gente, primeiramente, obrigada pela presença de todos vocês, né, Thiago, nós estamos muito felizes por esse momento. Não foi fácil chegar aqui, mas graças a Deus deu tudo certo, né? A vontade de Deus ela é boa, perfeita e agradável. Então, o que Deus promete, Ele cumpre. Né? Então, foi tudo preparado com muito carinho, tudo muito simples, do nosso jeito. Né? Nós viemos de duas famílias muito simples, mas muito batalhadoras. E é isso, espero que vocês aproveitem cada segundo, tá? Aqui são pessoas que realmente fazem parte da nossa vida, estamos muito criados e muito obrigada. A gente está muito feliz. E vamos curtir cada momento com a gente, tá?